at these crazy peas. They are busy climbing all kinds of things. I had to put pencils in, and those long ones are skewers, but we're gonna get them ready to go outside. These peas are all tangled up. So let's see if I can help them get untangled so that I can take them outside. The peas are very delicate, so I have to do this very carefully. Let's see. We got this one almost freed from the rest of them. Let's see. Try and do this very gently. Okay. Now, let's see. Have we got this one ready to roll? We do! Now we'll go plant it in the garden. Okay, let's plant this pea. So I'm going to make sure that I have my gloves on. We always wear gloves when we're working in the garden. We never know when we might encounter a nail or some glass. So that's why we always wear our gloves. We keep our hands safe from any germy thing that might be in the soil sometimes. And all right, so here we go. We're gonna make a hole through the newspaper. So now I'm making a hole that's big enough for my peat pot. And now I'm going to loosen the bottom of the peat pot up just a little bit. Oh, do we have scissors?
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you, Mr. Carroll.
Glad to help, Mrs. Wilkins.
I forgot about the scissors. All right, so I'm just going to help this pea plant get going by just trying to take off a little bit of the bottom of the peat pot. That way, very carefully, those delicate little roots, that way the roots can get straight into the soil. All right, now I'm going to put our peat pot into the hole I made that went through the newspaper all the way down to the soil. And I'm going to carefully put our plant in there. All the way in. Make sure it's all covered. And now I'm going to put the mulch and the earth all around it. Now, this pea plant is going to be ready to start climbing, growing and climbing, and later on in the summer grow some pea pods with delicious peas in them. And hopefully you'll be able to come and try some.